Workplace safety is a vital component in any organization, as it not only protects the well-being of employees, but also ensures the smooth operation of the business. To uphold and enhance safety standards, many organizations establish safety committees. A safety committee is a group of individuals within an organization tasked with the responsibility of promoting and maintaining a safe and healthy work environment. These committees are usually composed of a mix of employees and management representatives who collaborate to identify, assess, and address potential safety hazards and risks in the workplace. Their primary objective is to reduce accidents, prevent injuries, and create a culture of safety within the organization. Overview of the elements of a safety committee. Safety committees consist of several essential elements that contribute to their effectiveness. Membership. Safety committees are typically comprised of both employee representatives and employer representatives. Employee representatives are individuals who work within the organization but do not hold positions of authority. Employer representatives, on the other hand, often hold managerial roles and provide necessary resources and support for safety initiatives. Structure. These committees can be organized in three primary ways: single, centralized, or multiple committees. The choice of structure depends on the organization's size and the number of workplace locations. Responsibilities. Safety committees are responsible for various tasks, including hazard identification, incident investigation, safety program development, and safety training coordination. They also play a pivotal role in ensuring that safety policies and procedures are implemented and adhered to throughout the organization. Benefits of a safety committee. Safety committees offer a wide array of advantages for both employees and the organization as a whole. Enhance safety culture. Safety committees foster a culture of safety within the workplace. By involving employees in safety-related decision-making processes, they empower individuals to take ownership of their safety and the safety of their colleagues. Reduced accidents and injuries. The primary purpose of safety committees is to identify and mitigate safety hazards. This proactive approach can lead to a significant reduction in accidents and injuries, ultimately preserving the well-being of employees. Improve communication. These committees serve as a platform for open communication between employees and management. They provide a forum where concerns, suggestions, and safety-related issues can be discussed and addressed, promoting a sense of teamwork and collaboration. Legal compliance. In many jurisdictions, safety committees are a legal requirement. Complying with these regulations not only ensures that the organization meets legal obligations, but also safeguards its reputation and minimizes the risk of costly fines. Cost savings. Fewer accidents and injuries mean reduced medical expenses, workers' compensation claims, and potential legal liabilities. Additionally, lower employee turnover and absenteeism can lead to cost savings. Safety committees are vital components of a well-functioning organization. By bringing together employees and management, these committees play a pivotal role in ensuring a safe and healthy working environment. Welcome to the Safety Committee Orientation course. During this safety training, we will cover the following learning objectives: how to develop a safety committee, responsibilities of a safety committee, hazard detection and identification, incident investigation and reporting,